Let's do some practice problems together. So on frame 6 out of 15, we have 5g plus 2y plus 4y. Okay, so I have like terms g, and I have like terms y. I'm going to organize and combine like terms, so I have 5g minus g, those are the same. Then I have 2y and 4y that are the same. So now I combine the like terms. 5g minus g gives me 4g. 2y plus 4y gives me 6y. Let's take a look at number 2. 15t plus 9s plus t minus 9. Let's combine like terms. First I have my 15t plus t. Then I have 9s. Don't forget to circle the operation as well. And then I have minus 9. Don't forget to include the operation in with your coefficient or your constant. Now I'm going to combine like terms. 15t plus t gives me 16t's plus 9s minus 9. For number 3, let's combine our like terms first. Keep in mind, these x's are all different. There's one that has x squared. Remember, there's different powers, and then there's x's that don't have anything there. So let's combine our x squareds first as our terms. I have all my x squares. Now I'm organizing my x's. I'm going to combine my terms now that I have them organized. 16 plus 4 minus 12 gives me 8x squared. 4x minus 2 gives me positive 2x. There's more positives than there are negatives. Let's take a look at number 4. I highlight my h's, I highlight my g's, I highlight my constants, and then I combine like terms. 2 plus 1 h gives me 3 h's. 7g plus g, and remember, there's a 1 invisible in front of that g, gives me 8g. And the only constant I have left is 9. Let's look at my next frame. Let's combine like terms by highlighting like terms first, so that we can organize them. I have 18k minus 12k and my m's. Now I can simplify my expression. 18 minus 12 gives me 6k, and 2m minus m gives me 1m, or I can just write m for short. Now my term is simplified. Do number 6. Put together my g squareds, put together my g's. Now I simplify. 3g minus 2g equals 1g, or I can just put 1g squared. And then 5g plus g gives me 6g. And in number 7, notice again exponents. Okay, and some of them don't have exponents, so let's highlight like terms. I have 6h cubed, 5h cubed, a lonely 2h squared, I have 2h, and a minus h. I'm going to combine like terms. 6h plus 6h cubed plus 5h cubed gives me 11h cubed. Then the lonely 2h squared sits alone. 2h minus h gives me 1h, or I can just write h for short and just pretend that invisible 1 is there. Let's look at number 8. Combine like terms and simplify. Gives me 3m plus 4n. Next, we're going to wrap things up by completing your exit slips. Here, I want you guys to simplify each expression. So, organize like terms and then simplify them. And then in the next exit slip is a word problem. You have to identify and explain the mistakes that she made. Okay, so she has the problem here, but she made a mistake. What was her mistake? She did her problem here, but made a mistake with her answer. What was her mistake? We'll see you in class. We will be wrapping up algebraic expressions this week and learning how to write and evaluate algebraic terms. So it's important that you understand how to combine like terms. See you guys later.